Mikel Oyarzabal. And the ball crosses the line for a throw-in. And that's not good. Heads are shaking. And now the opportunity. Real chance here. Still not dealt with. And away it goes. Out of play for a throw and maybe just a lapse in concentration. Aurelien Chouameni. Olise. Mbappe. Rodri. Mikel Oyarzabal. Kylian Mbappe. Here we go, chance. Has a go. Oh, it's in. And it's a goal that really tightens their grip on this game.
Well, here's the replay, and what a strike this is. He gets so much power behind it. The keeper has no chance.
And the game restarts with the score 2-0. Rodri. No sign of stopping yet, but that's where any chance of anything developing disappears. And the danger dealt with for now. And that will be a throw-in for France. Rabiot. And he's offside. The flag is up. Nico Williams. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close.
Let's go.
And we're off for the second half. Ousmane Dembele. In the right position to cut out the pass. Aurelien Chouameni. Rabiot. And we have 30 minutes left. Dembele. France struggling to keep the ball. Oyarzabal. Olise. Dembele. Pedri. Kylian Mbappe. And we're inside the final 15 minutes. Perfectly anticipated, really well won. Chouameni. Well, only minutes to go now, and France have a commanding lead. What have you made of their performance overall?
Yeah, they've clearly been the better side today, composed.
Has to be. And they're 3 in front now. What a performance this has been so far.
Well, here we can see it again, and it's a really cool finish. He didn't overthink it, just made his mind up and slotted it home.
Well, this is a substitution for France. So they get us moving once again, and it does feel like the full-time whistle can't come soon enough. It's a positive run, but what happens next? This is a substitution for France. Solid defending, it's away. Once again, and it does feel like the full-time whistle, and on go France. They've booked their place in the final.
Well, what a brilliant performance. They showed quality in the middle of the park, a real ruthlessness in front of goal. And after that, I think they can go on and win it.
Yeah, technically this is not the World Cup, but
The anticipation has been building to fever pitch, and the wait's finally over. My name's Gray. I'm joined by former England international Sue Smith in the commentary box. And what a spectacular final this promises to be. It's Italy taking on France.
Yeah, what an achievement for both sides to get in. It's been a long journey, but it'll all be worthwhile if they can get their hands on some silverware. What a match this could be. I can't wait.
And we're underway with the first half. Olise. That's a really nice ball, and you can feel the frustration after that. It's a head-in-hands moment. Michael Olise. Kylian Mbappe. Onto Dembele. He's done well to get... And this could be... And there's the first goal of the match. Deadlock broken.
there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the World Cup spoof
Well,
by
look how he gets round this marker with a lovely bit of skill. And then once Dembele is through 1v1 with the goalkeeper, he goes for power, makes great contact,
So this is something
and it
they
flies
made,
into the net.
I guess,
I'm
to
sure
pay
he'll be
homage
happy
to
with
the
that.
World Cup. That
1-0
is not
then
the
as we
World
get
Cup,
started
but
again.
here we are. I don't know why they're not doing the World
Locatelli.
Cup this time around. Maybe
A really good interception to take the
copyright
ball.
stuff, or maybe it will start when the World Cup starts.
Kylian Mbappe. Ousmane
go.
Dembele. Now for the finish.
Oi.
The defence does its work. Politano. France come away with the ball. Ousmane Dembele. Opportunity here. It's another goal.
Yes.
And a healthy lead in the final.
Let's
now.
go.
Well, we can see it again, and he does well. He shows great strength and balance to fend the defender off, and then he slots it home. It's a really good goal, that.
And the game restarts with the score 2-0. Tonali. Moise Kean. Rabiot. Now he's in. Oh, terrific. What a scoreline this is for them.
Well, here we can see it again, and this is what he's capable of given the time and space. You've got to question the defending. Could they have got a tackle in earlier? It's a wonderful solo effort, though.
Well, the game restarts amidst a dominant first-half performance. The scoreline tells you all you need to know. Mbappe. Dembele. Real chance. And another. 4 to the good now. And any idea of this being a contest is surely over.
Well, we can see it again now, and what a perfect cross that is. It's just inviting someone to attack it. And once it falls to him like that, it's a routine finish. Cool and clinical.
So it's now 4-0 as the ball gets rolling again. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. And the ball rolling again after a sublime first-half performance from France. Oh, yes, all the practice pays off. And that will ease any defensive worry. Rabiot, well read to gain possession. Locatelli. Rabiot. Michael Olise. Ball one, well read. Matteo Retegui. DiMarco. This could be. Intercepted. Great reading of the game. So 20 minutes left of this game. And the ball has been lost. Nicolo Barella. On to Keane. Aurelien Tchouameni. Adrien Rabiot. Michael Olise. Oh, that's really well cut out. Pass weighted just right. He's in here. Oh, lovely skill to beat his marker. They're in here. Now, this could be interesting from there. And he has been booked, yellow card.
Well, he's going to have to be careful now. Can't make any rash challenges or he'll be off.
And there's going to be a change now. Oh, yes! That couldn't have been executed any better. A magnificent goal. And off we go again with the gap now a full 5-0. Olise. And that full-time whistle will sound
Let's go, France! Thank you so much for joining. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button too. This is what we're going to be doing next week. Is it next week? Yeah. When the World Cup starts, we'll be doing exactly this. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Should we play Argentina? No, maybe. Let's see. France again? No, I did that. Let's do England. Professional? Ooh, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be tough. Thank you so much for joining. For everybody who's here, please hit that like button, subscribe. The plan is to do something for the World Cup. I don't know if I'll be able to do it, but here we are. And of course, music will be coming as well. So I'm trying to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm not.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. Perfect playing conditions. I'm Guy Mowbray and I'll be joined for commentary by Sue Smith, the former England forward. And all the focus here is on the round of 16 of the Cup. It's England and they take on Italy.
Yeah, we're starting to get into the main part of the competition now. Not many teams left, and it's about staying focused, playing your game. And it's not long now till we find out who's going to be in the quarters.
There's the first touch, and we're underway.
Let's go. Bellingham.
Saka. Reece James. Now Harry Kane. That was a really good spot. Declan Rice.
Come on.
Tonali. Gordon. Ezri Konsa. The ball with James now. On to Bukayo Saka. And it's cleared away from goal. Saka. And the shot brings about a routine piece of goalkeeping. It's cleared, and they can breathe easier. Politano. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover.
Hey. Nobody there.
Federico Di Marco. Tonali now. Retegui. They're getting into a good position. Bukayo Saka. On to Bellingham. A really good interception to take the ball. And that whistle brings the first half to a close. Back underway then, and surely there's better to come. Allowed to go a long way with this, and that's where it ends. Bukayo Saka. And that's more than comfortable for the man in goal. And that one goes out and away. And we have 30 minutes left. Oh, it's still in there. It's broken down and it had looked promising. Good save from the keeper. And England will make a change now. Solid defending, it's away. One of those why not moments, and we've just seen why not.
Well, I'm not sure why he's gone for goal there, Guy. It's the wrong option. No accuracy on that whatsoever.
Only 15 minutes left for play now. And the ball won back. There could be a chance to win the game here. And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession.
Well, the clock's still ticking and you can sense the atmosphere in here. The fans just urging them forward in the hope of a winner.
Aye.
And it's given away. And it's out for a throw. Sandro Tonali. Kane. And the referee's whistle means we're going into extra time.
Aye. Who's tired? Ooh, Kane is tired. I don't know what
Well,
else.
after both coaches have had their say, will we see a winner here in extra time? Bellingham. On to Kane. Keeping it nicely, just waiting to pounce and put themselves in front. And for all the keeping of the ball, they've gone nowhere. Kane. Luca Mancini. Now Tonali. Matteo Retegui. And that will do it for the first half.
Yellow card. Jude Bellingham, of course. Of course, it's going to be Jude.
Substitution coming up. And the final stretch begins. The second period underway. Barella. This is Barella. On the attack, could we see late drama here? And that's a shame for them, nothing doing. Rice. Now Bellingham. Anthony Gordon. And it's there! What a moment to take the lead!
Well, I can't wait to see this again. What a strike. And from that distance too, he's certainly got the belief in his ability to have a go from range. It's a superb finish.
And that's it. The final whistle that means celebrations around the ground. The home supporters have got what they wanted. They're going through.
Well, it certainly will have taken it out of them. Really had to work for it. They were two very evenly matched sides over the 90 minutes. They just had that little bit extra when it mattered most. They'll be made up to go through, I'm sure.
A warm welcome on what is a perfect day to watch football. I'm Guy Mowbray, joined by former England striker Sue Smith on the commentary gantry, and we've reached the exciting stage of the quarter-finals of the Cup. It's the Netherlands, and they take on England.
Yeah, I'm sure there'll be a few nerves today. It's a big game, but both teams deserve to be here. They just have to give a good account of themselves. Should be a good one.
off we go then. Another 90 minutes of football begins. Jeremy Frimpong. Tijani Reinders. Harry Kane. Gravenberg. Rice. Moving forward under no real pressure. This for the lead. It's in. 1-0. And that could change the shape of the game.
Well, here we can see it again, and this is what he's capable of given the time and space. You've got to question the defending. Could they have got a tackle in earlier? It's a wonderful solo effort, though.
And we're back underway at 1-0. Ryan Gravenberg. De Jong. Gravenberg. Onto Depay. A little careless there as the ball changes hands.
Oof.
Memphis Depay. Harry Kane. De Jong.
Okay, so I am not doing what I'm supposed
Onto
to
Depay. Still behind, but this is looking promising. This to equalise and kept out. Razor sharp reactions.
Yeah, that's what you
That
want
was
from
a
your keeper.
sheer
Sharp
luck.
reflexes and quick thinking. He's done so well there.
Solid defending, it's away. Oh my goodness!
No!
He's called that so well. It's a goal of real class.
Well, here we can see it again, and he just hits this so sweetly. You knew as soon as he connected with it that this was going in.
So it's
All right,
1-1 as the ball gets rolling again. Declan Rice. Onto Bukayo Saka. And there it is. He's doubled up for the day.
Come on, bro. This is too easy.
Another look now, and you can see he's under all sorts of pressure here. He's done well, though, to fend them off. Really strong play and a good finish, too.
So it's 2-1 as the ball gets rolling again. And that'll do it. The
This
end
game
of the
is
first
interesting.
45 minutes here. The player's set, the whistle sounds, and the second half begins. Memphis Depay. Reinders. Surely the equaliser. And it's in! End-to-end stuff here. The lead lasting mere minutes. And we're all level again.
Why?
Here's the replay, and he does well to find space, but you'd always expect him to score from that sort of range.
And so we're back underway after another twist in the tail. Gakpo. Jude Bellingham. Rice. Anthony Gordon. And we're into the final half hour. Harry Kane. Well, given the position he found himself
come
in,
on.
he really should be testing the keeper. Fantastic opportunity squandered. Jude Bellingham. Harry Kane. Declan Rice. They've got them on the back foot here. And it's on now. Ball safely cleared. And they've got it back now. Gay.
Well, it's so difficult to hear anything in here now. The noise level's certainly gone up, and there is still time for a winner, and you just feel the fans know it.
Getting closer, maybe closer to a winning goal. That looked as though it might have been slotted in, but it's been placed wide. Substitution coming up. Jurrien Timber. Tijani Reinders. And that's the final blast, at least for now. 30 minutes of extra time to come. And so with legs tiring and nerves tightening, we're underway again. Could be something happening for them now. And that's a shame for them, nothing doing. And they need to be better on the ball than that. And it's a good diving save, although one you'd expect to be made. Saka. Well, there we are. The first half of extra time is over.
I do not want to go to the penalties on this. No, no, no. I refuse to go to the penalties.
And we're off once more. Just 15 minutes more to play. That's gone out of play. Throw in to come. Looking good here for one more chance to win it. And that's been cleared away. Rice. Now Saka.
Oi.
Tijani Reinders. Ryan Gravenberg. All one, well read. Oh, this could be it. Behind it goes for a corner kick.
It looks like we're gonna go to the penalties. This is going to
for the lead now,
well.
And a big save to keep the scores level.
Yeah, at this point, that's just massive. Really sharp goalkeeping.
This is not going to end well.
And so extra time ends with penalties on the... Good penalty. And it's been put away. Oh, it's been kept out.
Yes. Oof. The penalties are not fun. Should I just try scoring?
Good penalty. A little stutter to see which way the keeper was going to go.
Oh my goodness. Well, it doesn't matter.
And he can turn away having done his bit.
All we need is to score.
Oh, he's missed the target.
No.
And clinical from the spot. It's in, no messing. Good penalty.
Saka. Saka. Please.
And it's been put away.
Oof. Okay.
And it's in. The little delay worked in his favour.
Rice.
Well, oh, he's hit the bar. Not the best of penalties.
No. Rice. Why? Me.